Welding practice continues. All right, putting another bar in. Because what I'm going to do is, I've already got 2 pieces of chain welded up, and they've been dunked. Well, they're still a little warm. Dunk them again. I'm trying to just keep it cool. So I've already forge welded 2 pieces together. You know, not my best work, but it's done. So I got 4 more pieces, so it's going to be a total of 6. Heating the next heat link up right now. And I'll probably video doing 1 or 2, but I want to at least video the welding process for my own edification. You know, this is good practice. This is all practice. Right now I'm just heating up the next piece. So I can bend it. Put the so I gotta bend it. Put the scarfs on it. Then I'll bring it up to heat and weld it. But what I'll do is I'll do that one, I'll do another one, then I'll take, and I'll do that one to that one, then I'll take one more and I'll put all 4 links together, so I have 6, or 5. Yeah, that'll give me 5. And I swear I thought I had 6 links. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Hi, Chippy Bear. Hi, buddy. The goal is to try and do this on 1 heat. I don't think I will. I've been having problems with tongs and control just because I have issues with hand strength, but hey, it is what it is. So I'm going to bend this over the horn. Come back this way. Make sure it's fairly even, or as even as I can get it. Off. A little bit off. Alright, that looks good. So I'm going to be able to get 1 scarf in, maybe. So it's kind of U-shaped now. I'll get 1 scarf in. I'll take another heat. That way I can keep track of which side I got the scarf on. Because what you do is you do it on one side, flip the piece, and it's a reverse image, so they marry back up the scarf. What you're doing is you're taking the steel and you're kind of thinning it out a little bit, so it marries up like that into itself. So not the thin part, the meaty part. You want the mass. I said meaty part because I'm trying to put it in terms we can all understand. The mass of steel needs to be here, not like this. You're driving this and it's spreading like that. This. So now I'm trying to get my flip it and it'll be a mirror image now. kind of see the scarf work. So now what I'll do is, I gotta heat it up more on the slide around. So now I'll heat them, I'll push them together, flux them, then I'll bring it up to a welding heat. I'll make another link, and I'll make the next link, and I'll put the 4 together, and that'll be the end of this video. It's good practice. I'm just trying to really get back to the basics and be good at some of the basic stuff. And sometimes we try to get too advanced, and there for a while I was trying to get too far ahead of myself on some things. And I got to get back to what I believe in and staying with basics, staying with these not grandiose ideas. I get so wrapped up in some of these big ideas that I forget to stay grounded, and I don't say that like I'm not worthy. I'm saying that more like it's not what I want. I've never wanted this little business to be anything more than that, a little business. And I keep getting sucked into these big ideas, and that's not me. I just want to do this and have fun. So I'm going to flux it. Look, I want to really get that in there so they marry up. You don't need a lot of flux. It just kind of helps. So now I'm going to get that down in the fire, and we'll bring it up to a welding heat. Get way down in there. Not really the right way. My fire should be higher up in the pot, but I'm just trying to have fun. I want to make mistakes. I want to learn from those mistakes right now. So if that means, you know, having my stuff too high, so be it. I don't want to lose my piece. So now I'll bring it up to a welding heat. What the flux does is it keeps the scale down, keeps air out. In a coal forge, you really don't need that much. But I'm really just trying to practice all the skill, all the workmanship, and get it right. Now we're cooking with some grease. Fell right in front of the piece. you got any sparks coming out. I think we'll be good. Yeah, I think we're good. I think I just saw a couple sparks. Yeah, there we go. I see some sparks now. That's an indicator that it's getting too hot, and that's okay. I want it to be just a little bit too hot for me. It's sparking, so light hammer blows, light hammer blows. Just going into pieces. I think I knocked it off. Yep, let's weld that up again. Let's take another heat. I got most of it. Yeah, just separated. It just separated. All right, let's take another heat. Try to re-weld that one. That one came apart. See? That's why I'm doing it. Actually, let me reflex it. Flux that shit. See, it's hot. It's sticking to everything. So we should be good. Might need just a little bit more heat. Sometimes it's hard to tell. Gas forge is a little easier to read because you can actually look at the steel and kind of see it melting. I'm trying to get like one or two more done, and then I might have to clean the fire out. I know you can't see it, but I'm looking in and it's like a bright yellow, almost lemon. That's what you want. You want like a white hot. I don't think that was quite hot enough, that piece. I think I took it out too early. Nice light taps. Really set the weld. I think we got it this time. Yeah, it looks good. That looks way better. Trying to clean it up, make it look pretty. Yeah, we got it that time. So you can see there's a little bit, you can see a little bit of the stuff there. That's all right. Again, this is not something I do very often. That when I forged, the last time I forged welded, it was a tomahawk, I believe. Okay, so now we put our next piece in. I'll connect it to that one we just made. Probably gonna need to clean this fire out sooner than later. Again, I'm not going for welding heat, I'm just going for heat right now. I hope I've been recording all this. Yeah, cool. This is the piece. Yeah. And it's welded. It's not the prettiest, but it's good. Big old piece. Almost lost it. Almost was like, where did I put that piece of steel at? Bend it around the anvil. That's like picture perfect, man. Well, not really. Trying to even it up. That's good. That'll work. That's good enough. Mediocrity is once said. That's good enough. That to heat them up. I don't know what the heck is going on with that piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the scarf on. I'll put that other link on, and then I'll close it up. had that cut, that's going to be an issue potentially. Almost hit myself with it. It's got to heat up some more. Just heating it up, close it up, flux it, then I gotta weld it. My fire is building up now. This is ideally where you want it to be, so you can put your piece straight in. You don't want to shove the piece down. You really want to put it in like that, but I've been cheating it because I'm lazy. Oh, that's not good. Got it too hot. Ciao, Chip. Come on. I gotta heat it again. Dang. This is gonna be an ugly weld. That's all right. I got it too hot. Half of it was already trying to weld. Which is good. It means my fire is nice and hot. What I'll do is I'll just take this to the grinder when I get done and clean up all the tips, just make them look nice. Not necessary because it's functional, just for aesthetics. lot of sparks coming out. Hope I didn't overdo it. I hear it sizzling. Light taps, just set that weld in. That was probably the best weld I got. That one's probably the best weld, but I deformed the link. It's all right. Now, I do have a 7th one. I knew it. Okay. So, I do have more. All right. So I'll do this one, and we'll call it a day. For the video, at least. Probably should clean the fire out. Let's do this one, and then I'll clean the fire out. I'm gonna do this one, then I'm gonna clean my fire out. Let me get this set up and then clean the fire out. Clean it out. So you gotta clean your fire out every now and then. Probably every 15-20 minutes if you're doing a lot of forge welding. Because that heat, it's melting a lot of that coal, it's creating a lot of clinker. Right now I could still forge. This is forging temperature. So I can still shape and do the things I want to do. So I'll get this piece done, set up, get it on those links, everything but the weld. Then I'll clean the fire out, pause the video so you guys ain't got to wait and watch all that. Chip, you okay? You okay, buddy? You all right, bud? Very productive today. I got a knife over there doing its tempering. Come on. Hey, not bad, not too shabby. I'm happy with that. That's not too shabby. Put it back in. Come on. for that. File pusher at the top. And then get ready. Put this. And then I'm going to clean that fire out. So, fire still needs to breathe, get hot. Poke that air hole every now and then. Didn't heat up at all. Gotta heat it up some more. You can bend it, put the links on. I'm just going to go for it. I'm just going to go for it. We're just going to go for the gusto. And then I'll just take the fire apart. I'm gonna clean it out. I'm gonna clean it out. It's not. Be all right. It might be all right. Just one piece. That's the piece. Let's see what we can do. Pause this. Got the fire cleaned out. Now I'm trying to do the weld. I'm gonna go a little extra on the heat because it's hard to get the piece out with all that extra chain. Get out of the way. Come on. Ah, no. No. Hope I didn't lose it. Doesn't look it. Looks good. Oh, man. I don't know. I'm going to do it again just to be safe. I want to be safe. I lost all that heat, man. Lost all that heat, and that happens. It looks like it was took, but I'm not happy with it. I want to make sure it gets it good again. Gotta just be double safe. Yes. All right, forge, weld, chain. I probably used smaller pieces than I should have. I probably should have went with 8 inches. I think these were 6. Let me see. These were just about 6 inches. I think 8 inches would have been a little easier to work. So I got 2 more that I'm going to do, but this was to show you guys. I'll do the other 2 another day. Unfortunately, I got to do a couple other projects. This was just kind of a spur of the moment thing. Since I was practicing the forge welding the other day, I wanted to really. The other day I was just doing sets. I was just practicing making them. You know, I didn't really make any projects like this. Like this is an actual resulted project. And a lot of people don't like them pointy things. I'm gonna clean these up, but I'm happy with this. All the welds look good. That one's not the greatest. That one's okay. It's a little rough. That one looks real good. Of course, my best looking weld is on the weirdest shaped one. So I might actually just heat that up and just kind of reshape that one just to make it a little bit more round like the rest of them. So appreciate y'all sticking with me. I'll show you the end result on another video.